Hello students, welcome back. Now further part of the practice set 2.6 we will solve in this video. So let's start. Let's solve this sum. Mr. Kasam runs a small business of making earthen pots. He makes certain pots daily. Production cost of each pot is rupees 40, more than 10 times total number of pots in one day. If total cost of all per day is rupees 600, find the production cost of one pot and the number of pots per day. Now in this relation, total number of pots per day is the second part. So we will consider, let number of pots per day be X and production cost of each pot, production cost of each pot. Now 40 more than 10 times. So 10 times means 10x, 40 more means this much rupees. Okay. Now total cost of all per day is 600. So product of both will be equal to 600. So it will be 10x square plus 40x, transfer 600 this side, reduce the equation. This is your quadratic equation. Now multiplication should be 16 and difference should be 4. So 10 6 10x minus 6x. You will get two brackets like this on solving this equation. This is minus 10. This is 6. So therefore number of pots per day 6 and production cost of each pot, that is 10 into 6 plus 40, 60 plus 40, that is rupees 100. Students, listen. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of the boat in still water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of water current. So we will consider this. Let speed of water current be x km per hour. Now speed in downstream will increase and in upstream it will decrease. Therefore, speed of boat in downstream is speed of water boat in still water is given. So downstream it will increase 12 plus x km per hour and speed of boat in upstream it will decrease 12 minus x km per hour. I am keeping both in bracket. Now total time taken is 8 hours. You know that speed equal to distance upon time. So time will be equals to distance upon speed. So in downstream, total distance is 36. So this is your distance and this is your speed in downstream. So this is the time taken by the boat in downstream. Same way 36 back upstream. Okay, so this is downstream time, this is upstream time. Total time is 8 hours. Take 36 common, inside it will be this, equals to 8. You can cancel both or transfer 36 that side. When we cross multiply, it will be 12 square, that is 144, minus x square. Then this will multiply here, 12 minus x, 12 plus x, transfer 36 that side. Now x will get cancelled. So 12 plus 12, 24 upon 144 minus x square. 4 2s are 4 9s are. It will be 2 by 9. Cross multiply. When you multiply 2 here, it will be 288 minus 2x square. 24 into 9. It will be 216. Transfer 216 this side, 2x square that side. So our 2x square is 72, x square 36. Therefore, x will be root 36, that is plus minus 6. Since speed can never be negative, speed can never be negative. Therefore, speed of water current is 6 km per hour. Student, let's solve this sum. Pintu takes 6 days more than those of Nishu to complete certain work. Let number of days taken by Nishu be x days and that of Pintu be 6 days more. So x plus 6. If they work together, they will finish it in 4 days. How many days would it take to complete the work if they work alone? Now Nishu is working for x days. Therefore, work completed by Nishu per day will be 1 by x and that of Pintu, that will be 1x plus 6. This is the per day work of Nishu, per day work of Pintu. If they work together 4 days, so per day they will do 1/4 work. So this is the per day work capacity of Nishu. This is of Pintu. Per day they will complete 1/4 work. Now cross multiply. X square plus 6x, up it will be x plus 6 plus x equals to 1 by 4. Therefore, it will be 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x equals to 1 by 4. Cross multiply 8x plus 24. This side when you transfer, it will be minus 2x minus 24 equals to 0. Now we got quadratic equation, this one. Now in this, you require multiplication 24 and the difference of factor 2. So 6 4s are. So one of the bracket is x minus 6, other is x plus 4. So your x is 6 or x is minus 4. Therefore, this can be discarded. Now, what x we have considered? Work done by Nishu per day. Therefore, work done by Nishu alone requires 6 days, and that of by Pintu it will be 6 plus 6, that is 12 days. Now, if 460 is divided by a natural number, quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and remainder is 1. Find the quotient and the divisor. Now, second part is the divisor. Let divisor be x and quotient be 6 more than 5 times. So 5 times means 5x, 6 more, 5x plus 6. Now you know that dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. You are dividing 460. Your divisor you have considered x, quotient is 5x plus 6, remainder is 1. So, if I write this, it will be 5x square plus 6x plus 1 equals to 460. 5x square plus 6x, when you bring this side, 1 minus 460 is 459. Now multiplication of this number and this number is 4095. You have to find the factors of this. Multiplication 4095 and difference is 60. So the factors are 45 and 51. So this is positive and this is negative. So I am writing negative first. Plus 51x minus 459 equals to 0. When you take 5x common, it is x minus 9. Here 51 common, x minus 9. So, one of the bracket is x minus 9. Other will be 5x plus 51. So your x is 9 or x is minus 51 by 5. We have to discard this. So our value is x. X we have considered divisor. Therefore divisor equals to 9 and quotient they have asked, it will be 5 into 9 plus 6. So that will be 45 plus 6, 51. Now students, this is the last one. Non-parallel side, this pair is parallel. These are non-parallel side. When non-parallel sides are equal, it is an isosceles trapezium. Now formula for area of trapezium is half into height into sum of parallel sides. Now half into height is x minus 4. One of the parallel side is x, other is 2x plus 1 equals to 33. Transfer to that side. First bracket is x minus 4. Then 3x plus 1, 33 2s are 66. Multiply x with both the brackets. Minus 4 with second bracket. It will give you minus 12x. Minus 4, transfer 66 this side. It will be 3x square minus 11x minus 70. Now, 3 70s are 210. You have to find the factors of 210 such that their difference is 11. So, 21 tens are difference is 11. So 3x square minus 21x plus 10x minus 70 equals to 0. So when you take 3x common, it will be x minus 7. Okay. Now here, take 10 common. So here one of the bracket is x minus 7, other is 3x plus 10. So your value is 7 or it is minus 10 by 3. You have to discard this. So actual value is x. Now all sides are asked. Your AB is x. So directly 7 centimeter. CD is 2x plus 7, 2x plus 1. So 2 into 7 plus 1, 15 centimeter. Now these both are equal. AD is equals to BC, x minus 2, 7 minus 2. So both are 5 centimeter. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood full practice set 2.6 in a proper way. If you have any doubt, comment or mail. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.